Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to make cabbage vegetable. First, choose a fresh, firm head of cabbage, ideally weighing around 2 to 3 pounds. Begin by removing any loose or damaged outer leaves, then give it a good rinse under cool, running water. Next, cut the cabbage into 4 equal sections and carefully remove the tough inner core. Finally, shred or chop your cabbage into pieces about 1/2 inch wide, ready for cooking. There are several delicious ways to cook cabbage. Sautéing is quick. Just cook it in a large pan with a tablespoon of oil for about 10 to 15 minutes until tender crisp. For a softer texture, you can boil it in salted water for 8 to 12 minutes. Roasting cabbage wedges at 400 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes brings out a lovely sweetness. Or, for a nutrient-rich option, steam it for 5 to 7 minutes. To truly elevate your cabbage, consider adding some key flavor enhancers. A 1/4 cup of apple cider vinegar can provide a wonderful tangy brightness. Sautéing it with 1 diced onion and 2 cloves of minced garlic creates a fantastic aromatic base. Don't forget to season generously with about 1 teaspoon of salt, 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper, and a pinch of red pepper flakes for a little kick. For a savory touch, try adding a 1/4 cup of bacon bits. Cooked cabbage is incredibly versatile. You can serve it simply as a healthy side dish alongside roasted chicken or pork. It's also the star of a classic coleslaw when combined with shredded carrots and a creamy dressing. For a more substantial meal, use sautéed cabbage as a delicious filling for savory pierogi or traditional stuffed cabbage rolls. It also adds wonderful texture and nutrition to hearty soups and stews.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.